Here's your part 2, people. Alrighty. Plug back in. I kind of like how this engine had the spout on the side. The original 85 model pull start didn't have the spout, but that's probably for a front engine tractor, where it has to come out, you know, go out from the frame, you know, down the frame. I think. Okay, there we go. Good and tight. Not too tight. Strip the aluminum threads out on that thing. I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. Take the old oil pan out. That nasty crap. I'm probably going to end up stepping that and getting it all over my floor. Hey, it's part of life, isn't it? This is Benjamin Moore paint, redneck jack stand. Get on somewhat even ground there. Okay. Let's see. All right. Well, let's see. Open her up. Yep, she's out. So I figured, after I shut you off there and wait for part 2, I planted a few sprigs of grass. Little runners in my backyard. Trying to get some good grass and refrain from driving on it with the tractor. Some good old re8 in here. Can't go wrong with it. Oops, a little oil spillage. Be good, keep it from rusting, right? Ooh. Make a mess and make the engine overheat too. Can't always win. Oh. Oh. You know, the old man taught me, the 85-year-old man, he was sort of cheap. You told me always, you make me sit here for 10 minutes, you know, 5-course oil in a vehicle, get every last drop out of the can, which is so expensive, I understand. That's good enough. I think one more little molecule of oil can make a difference. Okay. Well, something to wipe. Yeah, I got a rag in here. Wipe the oil off with. Check the oil. I like Briggs & Stratton oil filters. They're easy to read. Tecumseh's horrible. I hate Tecumseh. Perfect. Just perfect. Right at the full mark. Let's get water off of this thing. Okay. Well, done. Now, Sears has 10W30 in also, and I just figured this out. Stupid me. I've been working with this forever. That, you know, older engines started with SA30. You shouldn't put 10W30 in there. So this thing burns it and burns oil until it warms up, because it's 10 weight when it first starts out. You know what I'm talking about.